Sparky, come here. Mommy will be back in a bit. She just doesn't feel good, okay? Alright? Come here, Sparky. Chopped all this up for you. You don't want to eat it? Come here, bud. Here's Sparky. Here's old Sparky. Come here. Give me some food. Come here. Come here, Sparky. Come on. Sparky. Here you go. Okay. Come on, boy. Come on. There you go, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Some waters. No water and foods, okay? Well, Mommy's out for tonight, okay? Alright, Sparky? I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man, so don't attack me, alright? Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Guess what I'm doing? Remember that cracked belt? This is part 2 of that. Got the power turned off, went ahead and opened the door. That's about all I did. I got just some basic tools I knew I was gonna need. You know, opening wrenches, a crescent wrench in case none of those fit, and some sockets. It's because I've done this before. There's a tensioner over here, 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you loosen those 4 bolts, then the motor will be able to slide back and forth and stuff. So I'm gonna try to set you guys up over here somewhere, and we'll get to busting some nuts. That's what I like to call it. Alright, these are oh man, I had to grab the metric set. Oh my god, I knew it. That's why I grabbed my crescent. So that's lovely. Alright, all I gotta do is loosen them and then tighten them when I'm done. So loosen them up. Loose as a goose. Loose as a goose. So there we go. Yeah, if I can hand spin them, they're loose enough to slide around and stuff. So, alright, there we go. That one had a little tick to it, didn't it? Yes sir, it sure did. I can do all this one-handed, so I can bring you guys along through the journey throughout. It's not that big of a deal. HVAC people are probably going, this is about changing, exiting right now out of the video, so I'm sure, or waiting for me to fuck up is what they're doing. That's what they're doing. I see you, Joe. You're winking at me. Joe and John, they're waiting for that moistness to happen. Is what it is. They're waiting for it, trust me. And this is where it happens, because I can't get this fucking big ass wrench in there. And you can't get a socket on it either, because the damn motors, like, they should have expanded this plate out a lot more than they should have. I mean, everything with these units is just a pain in the ass. And I bet if this belt's been changed before, somebody took my advice and did not do that. Let's see. See if we can get a opening wrench on there. Yep, I brought metric in its SAE, dummy. Look at this. I brought all metric opening wrenches up here. That's pretty stupid, huh? Yeah, I probably should have brought some SAE assortments too. Yep. Yeah, and this is like, it's skipping, like it goes from 12 to 14, and if I had a 13 it would work. Of course, I mean, why, you know, why wouldn't it? But you can't get this thing in there because, well, you know, well, maybe on this one, yeah, a little bit, but I don't know how I'm gonna be able to turn that. It's not good to take bolts, guys, and put just the tip of your crescent wrench on it. That's when you start getting strippies and stuff. Don't give me no damn room, bitches. You don't give me any room, do you? You little ass. That's the bolt I need to get right there. So I'm gonna have to set you guys, like, I don't know, staring over by this direction here for a second, because I'm gonna attempt to do it with my crescent wrench, but man, is this not gonna be fun. This is, I don't even think it's doable. I need a stubby, what you need is a stubby opening wrench is what you need. That's what the hell you need. You need a stubby opening wrench to work on these things. I don't have one, so I've got it, and I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so it's a 9/16 bolt, or a 1/2 inch rather, but it doesn't matter. See how you can't get a socket on that, so you can don't be saying that you need to put a socket on there. You can't get it on there. I mean, you can now that I've lifted these, like, you know, a couple, but they're pain in the ass units to work on. Sometimes they give you all this access and stuff, but they're home. All I need really is the front side to pivot just 1/2 inch. Where's that socket? Alright. I'm gonna adjust the tensioner and see if anything moves. And we'll get lucky. Not. Oh. There we go. Why they wouldn't put the tensioner in the front where you have 17 freaking thousand inches of crap to move that thing, but no, let's put it over here where everything's screwed up. Thought I saw it sliding, but it ain't sliding. It slid a little bit, but not enough, and I don't want to get my hands caught up under that. There we go. It slid just a little bit. Not much. Didn't give me much give. Right, off of the old. No one knew. Maybe. You commented on this last time. Don't roll the belts on there. It's gonna fuck something up. But buddy, it's Friday. I want to go home. But it's not gonna work this time. That thing's under extreme tension. It is the right belt, because it says factory belt size B40, BK45. You can use up to a BK45 on here. So a BK50 probably wouldn't have worked if I used one of those, so, and you can't roll that on there, so I gotta loosen this a little bit more. Alright, the screw's hanging over here. This bolt, rather. I know, guys, it's painful to watch. Oh, freaking stubby. I mean, even this won't work on it because it's gonna hit like in the back. Here, I'll show you. Like, whatever I need is gonna be about like this long. So it's gonna be like in between a 14 and a 13 milliliter. I mean, I gotta like slide it and then put my finger over it and then ratchet it back. It will fit, but God dang it. Why you gotta be so stupid, Jeff, sometimes? Son of a bitch, man. Why couldn't I just put this on the opposite side? Jesus Christ. Because their shit shakes itself to death. Oh, I'll show you that, guys. Like, you know what? Since I have to go and go get something, and this video is going way too fucking long. I'm gonna do something real quick. Let's see what size I need here. I think it's 3/8, half inch or 3/8. All right, half inch. Alright, now I'm going to show you. Blower motor. See how the bolts are already taken out of it? Somebody's already been here. The reason they've already been here, we're going to open this up and I'm going to show you real quick. He just put the bolts in there loose because obviously, what's the point? We'll show you in a bit. So, back to babysitting again, I guess. Now, I know about all this crap. You know, I know how to work on all this stuff. It's not that hard for me to work on it, but I don't have the resources to do it. So I don't. I'm told not to. I'm told let the professionals do. Yeah, well, I'm the one who found out the fucking problem. How did I know that they were going to be in this compartment? So, you know, whatever you want. But somebody gets a tax write-off, I'm sure. But anyway, enough of my Friday bitching. I'm supposed to be like going home soon, so I need to get that other thing done there. So, open this up. And okay, hold on. Something's going crazy, stupid in this unit. You hear that? That's why it's on emergency shutdown. It snapped. It snapped. It's got wobble, snap bolts, and sheared some bolts in here somewhere. I forget where it said, but okay, rotation goes this way. So it's not, no, not bad. Heat exchanger doesn't look too bad either. It's pretty good for a unit that's barely ran. Yeah, so seems like we got some bearing issues or something like that. So our AC company knows about it, and that's why this panel was already loose, and I could just take it off. So, yep. Just Oh, I sheared some bolts off. There's the bolts that got sheared off right here. Off of something in there. And the bolts did a pretty dang good job of doing it. Just sheared them right off. Don't know why. It did. So I'm gonna go and go get some open end wrenches, 9/16, half inch, 5/8, stuff like that, just so I don't have to come back up here again. And we'll get back to the belt changing. All right, guys. All right. Doggone it. What? All right. Well, I just looked over and noticed that I wasn't recording. I think the sun might have heated up the battery or some shit. Just trying it, but yeah, that was tight. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys. What I did was I loosened this bolt, and that bolt. That bolt's still fucking loose. God dang it. Oh my god. Anyhow, I'll just snug it up with this. I don't know where my fucking wrench is, down there somewhere. There we go. Well, we got a new belt on there. Sorry, I don't know why the hell. Every time, dude, I try to make a video for you guys, something stupid happens. Like, you know, the camera doesn't record, basically, so it's getting tight now. I don't know, what's the torque specs on these? Let me tighten this one up. There we go. So I put the new belt on there. Basically, the motor slid forward, slide it on there. I tightened it down. I put the tension on it. See, here's your tension here. It's not terribly bad. I know there's a way to measure tension. We ain't going through all that. Because if you're putting lipstick on a pig, you're still gonna have a pig, right? Alright, let's see how she runs. Let's turn her on. She's gonna have to boot up and do all that sequencing bull crap. So, ew. And I don't want our AC company having to do anything that's something that we should be doing anyway. So, I you know, I do the you know, the stuff like this, stuff I can do, you know. I have the resources to get belts. Shit, hell, if they wanted me to replace the motor, I could do that too. That's no big deal. But, you know, they know it's a heavy, they know it's somewhat of a legitimate call, or a heavy call is what I call them when I call, because like this, like the motor bearings and stuff like that, and redoing all that, no, I'm nope. This unit might not even be calling, so that's gonna suck. Oh, there we go. But this blower motor usually runs 24/7 anyway. There we go. And there's that pulse width modulation, or the VFD, doing its job, bringing it up to speed, so it doesn't have that inrush current limiting blowout like the ECMs that we're used to. There he goes, baby. She's a lot happier than she was. Yeah, boy. Guys, it's Jeff, the maintenance man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. You have a great day. And stay safe. I mean it.